Today on We Wonder Japan, we visit Tsukiji Outer Market, one of Tokyo's biggest tourist traps. But first, this morning, before we do anything, I'm trying to figure out how to do laundry. It's all in Japanese. I can't read Japanese, but I don't know every kanji, and I've never done it on the laundry before, so I'm hopefully not gonna F this up. Okay, you can hear the water going. I didn't do all our laundry, just some of it, because it's not a very big tank. Let's see, hopefully nothing gets ruined. Okay, we're headed out. First stop today is one of the most all-time infamous tourist traps here in Tokyo, Tsukiji Outer Market. I know things are going to cost a little bit more than in other places for foods, but I've heard that if you are careful and you look properly, you can still find some really cool stuff there, and for prices that aren't super crazy, but we're gonna find out. Guys, this is straight up the thing from Dragon Ball. That is so sick, man. I've never seen one in real life. Wow. Okay, we tried doing this little coffee place. It looked really nice, actually, but so many people walked in suddenly, and there was only one dude working in there, and he looked super overwhelmed. He even put out a sign saying he wasn't taking anyone else at the moment. We're in a little bit of a hurry, so we're gonna try the 7-Eleven. Who knows how that's gonna be, but Cordelia is the one drinking it, not me. Oh, there it goes.
Yep, there's no sugar in there.
Anyone else ever play, Exit 8 or Platform 8? You heard of those games?
This looks like it.
Yeah, this really looks like it. This is a perfect station to feel like you're in Exit 8.
I wonder if it's modeled after a specific station.
I don't know.
You should go to it just for fun.
If you've never played Exit 8 and you like Japanese train stations and a little bit of horror, but I don't know, not really horror, just kind of horror vibes a little. Mystery,
horror,
puzzly.
You feel uneasy.
Yeah, you should play it, definitely. Okay, these chopsticks are too cute. Alright, we've arrived at Tsukiji, just on the outer edge right now, just walking in. Don't really know what to expect. It is definitely busy in here, as we knew it was going to be. Oh man. I don't know what I'm looking for. A lot of people eating sushi there. A lot of fish options, obviously. Tsukiji Fish Market was founded in 1935, and while the fish market itself moved to Toyosu in 2018, the Outer Market continues to operate as normal as a network of small shopping streets focused primarily on seafood, other foods, and tools related to cooking. It's loud, crowded, full of tourists, and honestly a bit overpriced, but I feel like it's worth visiting at least once. Well, I might have got tourist trapped already. I wanted the yakitori, but they're like, you have to buy 3, minimum 3. It's like, why? And then they microwaved it. I've had yakitori straight off the grill before. So freaking good. But I haven't tried it yet. Maybe it's still good. We'll see.
I didn't even see it.
Yeah, they microwaved it back there.
Whoa.
One of them is chicken and garlic, one's chicken and green onions, and one is chicken and just chicken. Just chicken. Chicken and chicken. Oh, this is the garlic. There's literal pieces of garlic on it.
Ooh.
I mean, chicken tastes great.
I told you it was going to be good.
I'm a whole garlic clove.
I can smell the garlic from here. I should have got one.
Good. This is just chicken. It's good. The chicken and green onion. Worst one.
Really? Yeah.
None of these match up to actual yakitori off the grill, but they're alright. Not bad. Coin purse central. Roastery. Okay, there's been so many Shine Muscat grape, my favorite grape, everywhere. Like everyone's favorite grape. If you had it, it's your favorite grape. But they're way overpriced here, so... Is it good? Oh, she's got pistachio ice cream. And I got Shine Muscat ice cream, so...
They look the same.
That is amazing. That's the Shine Muscat flavor. To a T.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah, wow.
Not wasteful.
That is really good. 500 yen is a little expensive for ice cream, but F it.
These are such rare flavors.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, they're rare and when in Rome, Now we're going to see these flavors everywhere for 200 yen. Tsukiji has been Tsukiji'd. I'm done. There's actually more to see, but
so crowded.
Yeah, it's so effing crowded. Prices really are higher.
Like, you have to buy a certain amount of stuff.
Yeah, there's limits. Like, you must buy this many pieces, and then because you'll look at the price and it'll say like, when I bought the chicken, it said 300, which by the way was expensive anyway. But
No, it's 250, I think.
oh, it's 250. You're right. And then you're like, okay, that's not that like too horrible. But then it's 3-piece minimum, and it's like, I don't even want 3 pieces, man. I just want to try one. Anyway, we're headed to Odaiba. Next time, we head over to what turned out to be one of my favorite and one of the seemingly most overlooked parts of the city, Odaiba. Keep wondering.